Hello to everyone. In this video, I want to show you my new LEGO model of Sukhoi Su-25 Frogfoot. It is an attack aircraft of the Soviet Union that has become a part of a force of a lot of countries. As you can see, my model is in Ukrainian camouflage because I'm from Ukraine and I like this type of camouflage. This model is pretty simple because I want to use it in my next stop motion video, which you can see in the next month. For the cabin, I use some windows and glass from Jedi Jet from Star Wars. So if you enjoyed my videos, please consider subscribing and click like, and thank for attention. Goodbye.